Okay, say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma. Mom, can you rip it off?
Just for a little bit, and then you can do the rest, okay?
I want you to.
Okay, you rip the rest.
And make a man what?
A Veggie Tales? Is it Veggie Tales? Okay, now open another present. Oh, they're beautiful. We're gonna watch them in a minute, okay? What you got there? Come here, Mama. Can you help?
Yeah. I can help.
Right here.
Oh, yeah. Here. It's a dress. It's a dress. It's a flow dress.
What is it?
It's a dress.
It's a Tinkerbell dress? Oh my goodness. Do you love it? Watch out, Junie. One more for Desi.
This one's for me.
Grandma wrapped them hard, right? Hey, I can't open these, Grandma. They're too hard.
Yeah, I know how. So like a flower video.
What's that?
That's Tinkerbell.
You love it? Come tell Grandma, say thank you for my present.
Thank you for my presents.
Grandma and Grandpa. Grandma and Grandpa in Pennsylvania, Desi.
Thank you, Grandma in Pennsylvania.
Can you look in the camera and say it? Say thank you.
No, I can't look in it.
Well, you can't see it. I'm doing it. Say thank you.
Mama. Thank you, Grandma and Poppy.
Grandma and Poppy? It's not Grandma and Poppy.